Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 2-pack of bread boxes. They came together. They are stackable or individual, whatever you want. Super easy to put together. There was maybe, I think, 4 screws on this side and 4 on the other side, and that was kind of it. And then, oh, the feet. So it's got a little magnet stopper so it can close up on the magnet. I took the plastic off of this one here so you can see almost. But that's what it looks like inside. It's got little holes in the back, so it does have a little bit of air breathing in there as well. And super simple to put together here. This one here, this is how it came kind of packaged with all the plastic on it. So you can put off the plastic as you want to go. And they are, you can stack them up on top of each other. They kind of fit there with their little feet. Or you can have them individually. They are nice. So if you need some bread boxes, I'm going to actually put these ones into my cabinet, so I'll be able to keep the bread inside the cabinet inside there, but they do look nice on a counter as well, especially without the plastic on it. And you can take off the stickers too. And number C. It came well lettered and everything, so that's super easy to put together. But I like it, so thumbs up for sure.